The U.S. Air Force's Next Generation Air Dominance or NDGA program. This initiative aims to develop a sixth-generation fighter jet that could redefine air combat for decades to come, but with high stakes come high scrutiny, and the program is currently undergoing a major internal review. What's driving this reevaluation and what does it mean for the future of U.S. air superiority? Let's dive in. The NDGA program began in 2014 as a response to the evolving challenges of modern air combat. Its goal to develop a family of systems centered around a sixth-generation Asian fighter jet that would replace the F-22 Raptor and maintain its dominance in the skies. But NDGA is not just about building a new jet. It envisions a comprehensive ecosystem of advanced capabilities including cutting-edge stealth, unparalleled speed, advanced sensors, and the integration of unmanned systems known as Collaborative Combat Aircraft or CCA. These autonomous drones would work alongside the manned fighter, amplifying its effective IS and providing new tactical possibilities with a projected development budget of $28.5 billion. Over the next 5 years, NDGA represents one of the most expensive and ambitious defense projects in history. But this ambition comes with challenges: technical, strategic, and financial. Earlier this year, Air Force Secretary Frank Kendall announced an internal review of the NDGA program. Why? Because as the world changes, so do the requirements for staying ahead in modern warfare. Kendall stated that the Air Force is going back to the beginning to re-examine the fundamental requirements for a sixth-generation fighter. This review isn't just about ensuring the NDGA meets operational needs. It's also about addressing concerns over affordability and practicality. The cost of building and maintaining such an advanced system has raised questions about whether the Air Force can achieve its goals within budget constraints. One major factor driving the review is the increasing role of unmanned systems. The Collaborative Combat Aircraft Initiative, for example, envisions autonomous drones working in tandem with the NGAD fighter. Could a greater reliance on unmanned systems reduce costs and still meet operational goals? These are the kinds of questions being asked. So what makes a sixth-generation fighter different from its predecessors? Let's break it down first. There's stealth. The NGAD fighter is expected to feature advanced stealth technology, making it harder to detect by radar or infrared systems. Second, speed and range. Unlike the F-22 or F-35, the NG is being designed with longer missions in mind, allowing it to operate in contested environments far from home bases. Third, adaptability. The NGAD isn't just a standalone jet, it's part of a larger system that includes CCAS. These unmanned drones can perform various roles from reconnaissance to offensive operations, all while being controlled by the NGAD pilot or operating autonomously. Finally, sensors and AI. The NGAD will feature state-of-the-art sensors capable of collecting and analyzing battlefield data in real time combined with artificial intelligence. This will give pilots unprecedented situational awareness and decision-making capabilities. While the NGAD program sounds impressive, it's not without its challenges. One of the biggest is cost, at an estimated $300 million per aircraft. NGAD fighters could be the most expensive jets ever built, and that's just the beginning. The integration of CCAS and other advanced technologies adds even more to the price tag. Another challenge is complexity. Building a sixth-generation fighter requires pushing the boundaries of what's technically possible, from materials to software. Every component must be cutting-edge. This level of complexity increases the risk of delays and cost overrun. There's also the issue of competition. Countries like China and Russia are developing their own next-generation fighters. Staying ahead requires not just innovation but also speed and efficiency in bringing these technologies to the field. One of the most exciting aspects of NGAD is its integration with collaborative combat aircraft. These autonomous drones are designed to enhance the capabilities of the main fighter. For example, CCAS could carry additional weapons, act as decoys, or gather intelligence, all while reducing risks to human pilots by leveraging CCAS. The Air Force could potentially lower costs by relying less on manned fighters, but this also requires advancements in AI communications and control systems to ensure seamless coordination between manned and unmanned platforms. If successful, this manned-unmanned teaming could redefine how air combat is conducted, making the NGAD system a true force multiplier. The NGAD program is at a crossroads. The current review will determine its path forward, including key decisions about design costs and the integration of unmanned systems. While there's still much uncertainty, one thing is clear: the outcome of this program will shape the future of U.S. air dominance for decades to come. Will the Air Force stick to its original vision, or will it pivot to a more cost-effective approach? The answers to these questions will have implications far beyond the skies, influencing military strategy and global power dynamics. The Next Generation Air Dominance Program represents the cutting edge of military innovation. But with high ambitions come high stakes as the U.S. Air Force reassesses its plans. The world watches closely, knowing that the decisions made today will shape the battlefields of tomorrow. What do you think about the NGAD program? Can it deliver on its promises, or are the challenges too great to overcome? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more deep dives into the aerospace technologies shaping our future.